There we are at the Kruger National Park at the Rio Vista Lodge. Time is about 6:15. Our dinner is at 7. But here's a previous guest that's just having their dinner. I think it's a female, but I wouldn't like to argue with this animal. It's far too big. Massive. They're tough. Hey?
This is the